Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, do you have problem on recovering your X account without username and password? Well, this tutorial I will teach you. So here guys, start at the password reset page and enter your username, so not just in the email. So also guys, you can try sign in with Google or Apple if you link those. So sometimes guys, they let you back in without the original email or SMS. So if you're still logged in on a phone or browser, change the email there immediately. So you can search every old email account you've used, check SMS backups, and look for any device where you might still be logged in, for example, old phone, tablet, or browser. So if you can access the account anywhere, update the email and phone right away. So here guys, you can also search for the help center. So if those fail, go to the X Help Center and submit an account access or gain access request. So you can use that I no longer have access to the email or phone, and then provide as many details as you can. For example, username, old emails, and then device information. So this is the official path for cases like yours. So be aware guys that the X Help Center states that if you truly can't access the account's email or verified phone, they may be unable to help further, because those are the main ways they verify ownership, so recovery isn't guaranteed. So if you can recover it, consider creating a new account and secure it with two-factor authentication. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!